Hello everyone, today we will discuss biochar, often called black gold, a revolutionary material that is gaining attention for sustainable agriculture and climate change mitigation. But what exactly is biochar and why is being called the future of farming? Let's understand this. Biochar is a carbon rich black material produced by heating agricultural waste, crop residues, wood chips, or biomass in a low oxygen environment through a process known as pyrolysis. Unlike ordinary charcoal, biochar is mainly used to improve soil health and store carbon for long periods. Because of its enormous benefits for agriculture and the environment, scientists often refer to it as black gold. Now we will see why biochar is important. India generates millions of tons of agricultural waste every year. Much of this waste is burnt in fields, causing air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. Biochar offers a solution by converting this waste into a valuable product that can enrich soil instead of polluting the atmosphere. Now, benefits of biochar. First is it improves soil fertility. Biochar has a porous structure that helps to retain nutrients and makes them available to crops for a longer period. This improves soil productivity and crop growth. Second is carbon sequestration. Biochar stores carbon in a stable form for decades or even centuries. This prevents carbon dioxide from returning to the atmosphere and helps to combat climate change. Third is the waste management. Agriculture residues that can otherwise burned can be converted into useful biochar, reducing pollution and creating economic value. Now, despite its advantages, biochar faces some challenges too. First is production costs can be high. Second, benefits vary depending on soil type and feedstock. Third is large scale adoption requires awareness, technology, and policy support. For India, biochar can support sustainable agriculture, soil health improvement, crop residue management, carbon credit opportunities, and climate change mitigation. This makes biochar an important tool for achieving both agricultural productivity and environmental sustainability. At last, biochar truly deserves the title Black Gold. By converting agricultural waste into a valuable soil enhancer and carbon sink, it offers a win win solution for farmers, the environment, and the future generations. If adopted on a large scale, biochar could play a significant role in building a greener and more sustainable India. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more UPSC and current affairs analysis.